as you can see here, we have 3 different types of countersinks for me to show you, and we have 3 different results on a pre-drilled hole to see how well they countersink. So as you know from a previous video, this is our preferred choice when it comes to a countersink. Like I said, you can buy them off of Amazon for about £12 for a set of 4. You get 4 different sizes. This is one of the medium sort of sizes. These are the ones we first started using years ago. I think they're about £6–7 for a pack of 2 or 3. These are the worst ones that we have. We don't use these anymore. And this is the other one we've got. So you can see it's got four teeth to tear away the wood, whereas this has only got 1. And these teeth are used to tear away the wood to leave a hole. So let's have a look at how each one performs. So you can see here we've got 3 different results. The middle one is the unneatest. You can see it's not quite on centre with the hole. It's got torn out bits here. Really hasn't done the wood any good. So that was this one that did that. Like I say, the worst one we've got. And the second worst one, or second best. This one was made using this bit. It's a little bit better. It's nice and in the middle, got a nice even hole. The only thing that I could criticise on this is it's tore the wood fibres around the edge. So that needs a little bit sanding up to get it a bit neater. And now you can see this one here, it's really nice, smooth finish. The nice and neat one was made using this bit. So as you can see here, there is a clear difference between what countersink you use. We've tested it out over the years. We now know which one works the best for us anyway. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to learn more, please subscribe below to stay in touch so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos.